In this video, I'll show you how to cut audio in FL Studio. First, make sure your audio sample is added to the timeline. I already have a sample track here, so let's give it a quick listen. Now, I want to cut out a specific beat from this song. FL Studio makes this process simple. Start by left-clicking the small waveform icon in the top left corner of your audio track. This will bring up a menu. In the Sample section, select Extract Stems from the sample. A new window will appear. This FL Studio plugin is designed to automatically separate your music into different elements, like drums, instruments, and bass. In this window, you can choose which elements to separate. Once you've made your selections, click Extract. FL Studio will process the file and separate it into different stems using your computer's resources. When the process is done, you'll see your audio divided into separate stems. Now, to cut a beat from one of these stems, zoom in on the timeline for precision. Hold the Control key and use the scroll wheel on your mouse to zoom in horizontally. Hold the Alt key and use the scroll wheel to zoom in vertically. Once you've zoomed into the right section, go to the top menu bar and select the blade tool, which is called Slice. For more accurate cuts, click the drop-down menu next to the magnet icon and select 1:6 step. To make the cut, draw 2 vertical lines at the start and end of the beat you want to extract. Then, use the right mouse button to delete any unwanted sections around it. Now, let's hear the beat we just cut out. And that's it. That's how you can cut audio in FL Studio.